Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by preparing assets. Use a PNG or exported alpha-capable graphic. In Premiere, create a sequence that matches your main footage frame size and frame rate so the logo scales correctly. Once done, import both your footage and logo into the project panel and place your main video on V1. Then drag the logo to V2 above the clip where you want it to appear. This immediately shows stacking order and makes compositing intuitive as you move into blending and sizing. Now you'll make the logo sit naturally on screen. Select the logo clip and open Effect Controls. Use motion to scale and position with numeric values for consistent placement across clips. To preserve transparency, confirm the PNG alpha shows through or use Track Matte if you need masking. Then adjust opacity. Either lower the percentage for subtlety or choose a blend mode like screen or add to integrate highlights. Make sure to scrub the timeline while adjusting to check for clipping or unwanted edges. Finish by adding motion and ensuring output preserves transparency if required. You can keyframe position, scale, and opacity for smooth fades and subtle motion. Set easing to make transitions feel natural. If you apply color corrections or global effects, nest the logo and background, or use an adjustment layer so effects stay consistent. For final delivery with Alpha, export using a codec that supports Alpha channels like ProRes 4444 or PNG sequence. If something looks wrong, check premultiplication and re-export with straight Alpha to fix edge halos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.